Hi everyone. So I'm gonna give you a quick demo regarding the sales dashboard. It's not completely a dashboard, but you can say it's a workaround for the salesperson. So what you're gonna do? You go to the pages, add new pages, and for example, if you create a username, sorry, you can create a page for a specific user. Right now, I'm creating a page for Aksa as a user uh, and I'm gonna publish it, and then from here I will put this visibility to password protected, and whatever the password should be. So uh, I will provide the password over here, press it and make it update, and then from here you can go and view the page. So it can be only visited by AXA, or the person has the password. So AQSA, I enter it. I can see it's protected, and it's the specific page for the specific user. So how you gonna put the Excel data over here? I've installed the plugin. Table press, and you go over here. Table press, and then import a table. For example, I go over here and add as new table. Here I will drop the Excel file. And where's my Excel file? Wordpress keywords. I will go over here and put the file over here, and then import it. So you have the data over here right now, and you can give the table name AXA with the details, and hit the save button over here. And from here you can grab the shortcode and paste in that page. Publish it, and if you will view the page, so you this, so the user has the specific table and a specific page for it. Right now, if I go to Control Shift M and go to the Incognito tab, how it looks. So this will be the process. You can create a you'll have the page, and then you can give the password and enter. So user can see its data from here. Okay, so this is how it will work. And for the user, if you want to create a user, you can go to add new user. So user is not required. So only if you want to create a user, it's up to you. But for now, the user is not the creation of user is not mandatory for this process. So the person directly go and put the password over here and see the page. And if any case in case if you want to create a user, from here you can create a user, add new user, email, give the password, and you can add new user from here. Okay, so this is the process that you can follow.